folks. Welcome to Philbrook Happy Hour at Valkyrie this week. I'm Ben, the principal bartender here, and I'm making a Boulevardier today. It's one of my favorite bourbon cocktails, one of my go-tos, both at home, out and about, and anywhere in between. Boulevardier is part of the Milanese cocktail family, the best known Milanese drink being the Negroni. And all these drinks follow a pretty simple formula, usually do equal parts of your base spirit, a sweet vermouth, and Campari. I'm one of many friends and colleagues who likes a little extra boost of bourbon in my Boulevardiers, so rather than doing an ounce of everything, I'm doing 1 1/4 ounces of our bourbon and then an ounce of the Campari and sweet vermouth. This is one of those things that you can kind of customize however you see fit. I really like using higher proof bourbons, especially high proof wheated bourbons like Weller Antique, for example. I also really like Elijah Craig for something a little bit more kind of herbal and oaky. Campari, of course, is the classic. It's about the only thing I never will change about my Boulevardiers. And then when it comes to sweet vermouth, you've got loads of options. Dolan, of course, is a kind of classic French style. I really like some Italian style vermouths like Cocchi di Torino and the Salesio Vermouth di Torino. Just slightly different notes. Sometimes they can lean more fruity or more herbal or more earthy. I'm partial to earthy and chocolatey flavors myself. This one's just real simple. 3 ingredients in your mixing tin or glass. We're just going to give it about a 20-second stir with ice and then straight into our cocktail glass. This one's pretty solid on the rocks too, but I almost always just serve it up in that little cocktail glass, just so it doesn't water down while I'm drinking it. I can tell I haven't been mixing at home a whole lot. Usually don't have to think too hard about what 20 seconds feels like. I love the color on these. For me, the richness of what you see kind of corresponds to the richness of what you taste. This cocktail, and just about any Milanese cocktail like a Negroni, as another example, strikes a really nice balance for me. You have this, really rich, full body. You've got a nice amount of sugar. It gives it that weight and that really satisfying mouthfeel. But the Campari acts almost like a tonic, and it kind of cuts down that sweetness, and so you end up with a drier cocktail that keeps you coming back for more sips. Oh, I almost forgot my little lemon coin. Just a little lemon oil over the top. Brightens it up.